Now you can make artisan pizza at home without the guesswork in the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. Go from dough to delicious with 700-degree high heat and choose from 5 pizza presets. Watch as your pizza bakes to perfection in just 3 minutes. Make back-to-back artisan pizzas at the push of a button. Get brick oven-inspired textures and flavors every time with the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. Make artisan pizza at home without the guesswork in the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven with 700-degree high heat. Choose from 5 pizza presets and watch your pizza go from dough to delicious in just 3 minutes with the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven.
To start your cook, press the power button, select your desired pizza preset, and press the start-stop dial to begin preheat. While your oven is preheating, flour a clean, flat work surface. Using your hands or a rolling pin, stretch out the dough. Form your dough into a 10 to 12-inch circle. Make sure to stretch out the thicker areas. Top pizza as desired, starting with an even layer of sauce. Then, add your cheese. Add some flour to your pizza peel and slide the pizza onto it. Gently slide the pizza into the oven, close the door, and press the start-stop dial to begin the countdown. When your pizza is done, remove it from the oven. Allow a few minutes for cooling, slice, and serve. Before beginning any cleaning, ensure your pizza stone has been removed from the oven. For regular maintenance, use a damp cloth with soapy water to remove any dirt, grime, or grease. For a more thorough cleaning, you can use a nylon brush or sponge, but never abrasive materials like steel wool. To clean any burnt food or debris off your stone, wipe away with a dry cloth. Never use water to clean your stone. For a deeper clean, you can flip your stone over and run at 700 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes to burn off any excess debris.